Hello everyone! Welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric chainsaw on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Skil PWR Core electric chainsaw, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. So, let's get started. Product features. Cordless convenience. The Skil PWR Core electric chainsaw is fully battery-operated, freeing you from cords or gas. Move freely around your yard, trim branches, cut firewood, or tackle small trees without being tethered. Perfect for both casual and serious outdoor work. Powerful digital brushless motor. Equipped with a brushless motor, this chainsaw delivers consistent cutting power, easily handling thick branches and stumps. Less maintenance than traditional motors means reliable performance and longer tool life, even with heavy usage. Longer battery runtime and life. The PWR Core 40 lithium battery gives 25% longer runtime and doubles battery lifespan. Cooling materials around each cell maintain peak performance, allowing you to complete bigger projects without constant recharging interruptions. Fast charging with Auto PWR Jump. No more waiting hours for a recharge. The Auto PWR Jump Charger powers the battery from 0 to 30% in just 15 minutes. Spend less time waiting and more time working, making your yard work or projects much more efficient. Tool-less chain tensioning. Adjusting the chain is now simple and quick. The tool-less style on the side allows you to precisely tension the chain without extra tools. Save time and hassle and keep your chainsaw operating safely and smoothly. Auto lubricating system. The chain stays properly lubricated automatically, reducing friction and wear. This ensures smoother operation, extends chain life, and helps maintain consistent cutting performance during long sessions. Advanced safety features. The anti-kickback brake automatically stops power in case of kickback, protecting you from potential accidents. Coupled with its ergonomic design, the chainsaw offers both performance and peace of mind for safe operation. Pros. Cordless for maximum mobility. Powerful, low-maintenance brushless motor. Long-lasting PWR Core 40 battery. Quick Auto PWR Jump charging. Toolless chain tensioning for ease of use. Auto lubricating system for smooth operation. Anti-kickback brake for safety. Cons. Battery may require extra backup for large projects. Slight learning curve for first-time electric chainsaw users. Limited to small and medium cutting tasks. Final thoughts. The Skil PWR Core electric chainsaw blends power, convenience, and safety in a sleek, cordless design. Its long-lasting battery, fast charging, and smart safety features make it perfect for homeowners, hobbyists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Reliable, easy, and efficient, this chainsaw makes yard work feel effortless. Stay safe and get the job done faster with Skil. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Cool Product.